Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I am back with day 13, December 13th of Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are going to pull our day 13 out, see what goodies Charlie has in store for us today. I didn't destroy the bag today, but I'm gonna. We have got some transparent long stars. Alrighty. I'm not too sure what to do with these babies all on their own for Christmas. Could be the Twinkle in the Nighttime Sky. These are pretty. They're really pretty. And this is a 3-gram bag from charliesnailart.co.uk, and I am a brand ambassador. Nailed It 10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off. Save yourself 10%. Well, I'm going to pause. I am going to pick out probably a blue polish, and I'll be back. Alright, we are back. I've got 2 nails set out here. I'm going to open this up and put it into a dish, or some of it. That way I get a variety of colors. But I am going to use 2 Modelones different color paints. This is a chameleon, and this, they're both beautiful colors. Look how pretty that blue is. So we're going to be using that one. This is 005, and it came out of Modelones Solid Cream Nail Gel Set. It comes with 5 other colors, and there was a brush at one time, which I have another brush. Then I'm going to be using this beautiful color, this blue. I think this is just gorgeous. So I'm going to be painting the nails these 2 colors. This is a fat brush, good lord. Fat brush. We're going to try to get this as a 1 coater. I don't know if it'll work. This is a gorgeous color. Pop that one in. Then I will dive in for number 005. Now, you don't want to put too much on because you don't want no wrinkling. And that's possible if you put too thick a coat on. These are both beautiful colors. Let this one self-level for a minute. And my paper towel has disappeared. Wipe my brush off with isopropyl alcohol. That way you get all the color out of the bristles. Sorry that I'm doing this off camera, but you all know how to wipe off a gel brush, right? I'm hoping wiping it in the air. Ooh. Try to get all the blue out as much as you possibly can. If you've got a dabbing dish, you could do that. Just wipe. It keeps wanting to go inside the container. Don't spill the stars. And the brush just does one of these. Close it and it pops inside itself. Beautiful tool. And I did. I spilled them all over the place. Oh, Lord. What a mess. I spilled them. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. I am a messy girl. Never said I wasn't. So that's what I'm doing. Is I'm over here off camera trying to pick all these up. Or the majority of them. So we've got this one. We're going to stick this one in the lamp now to be cured. This is a beautiful color. You can still probably get these on Model 1s. I know they still have some. Or some form of. So I'm going to put these away. And they don't want to fit. I had these in here before and they fit just beautifully. Sorry I'm off camera doing this, but I'm trying to put things away. There we go. Got these. I'm going to be using some She Modern glue gel to adhere the stars onto the nail. I don't know how to do it yet. I don't want to put just one random star on a nail and it look dorky. But kind of clueless how to do a design unless I were to do a full manicure, and I'm not doing that on 24 Days of Christmas on the advent calendar. So get this, put this, cover your nail. Look how beautiful that is. I think that is really pretty. Really pretty. I don't feel right just putting one little star. So I'm going to pop these back in the lamp, give these a little bit of a quick cure. I think I may take one of my goodies from here. I don't know which one. So I have a few. Let me see what this one is. This is Santa's hat. Could do that one. Let's see, we got one that says love. I want something Christmassy, that's for certain. So let me put all these over here. No. No, whoops. They have a crown too, how cute. How cute. But I know I had some, or I thought oh, it wasn't in here. Ah. Well. I guess I'll be using the Santa's hat that Tammy sent me. Tammy's the one that sent me these. Tammy's Manny, so check out her channel. She's also doing the advent calendar. So, oh, I should have put that one away too. Whoops. I'm going to get a couple different colors. I guess I'm just going to put them randomly on the nail. Midnight stars are everywhere. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There we go. There we go. Oops. I'll push these down into the glue and grab my other nail. I'm thinking the blue one is gonna stand out too much here on the blue polish. But that's what I was, what's the word I'm looking for? That's what was calling to me to pick out. It was calling my name. It was. So I'm going to top coat these with Diva in the Bottles No Wipe Top Coat by Princess Nails Diana. That was the nearest to me. I like to keep all my top coats lately on my desk. That way I can have a variety of choice depending on what I need, what my needs are. I need to pull out my builder and the jar out and play with that a little bit. Seen everybody play with their builder in a bottle, and I don't have that. But I have, I wish I'd have pulled it out earlier. I do have, I think it's by Yogi, and it's the builder gel in a jar. And I'm sure it's the same thing, right? So if somebody knows, let me tell me down in the comments. Are they the same thing? So I would sure like to know. I surely would. There we go, and I'm going to put these in the lamp, give these a full cure, which on most lamps is 60 seconds. I'm going to put these back in the little pouch, birthday baggie, whatever you want to call it. See if I can pick a few more up off the desk. There we go. And I gotta get out my nail glue. This is what I use to put little doodads on the nail. This is a nail glue for tips. It works beautifully. Beautifully. So we're gonna use that to hold little Santa's hat on the nail when they come out of the lamp. I'm getting all tongue-tied here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. And which nail to put this on now, because I only have one. Yeah, I'm going to put it on this nail here. Right on the corner. There. Oh no. Shoot. This stuff is pretty sticky. Let me see if I can get this back on the nail without gluing myself to it. There we go. Close up your nail glue because it will dry out quickly. So here we go with our two nails. We've got Santa's hat on one. And we just got the twinkling stars on the other. You don't see them too well on this nail. I'm terribly sorry, so I'm not even going to show that. We'll show this one here. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So let me comment down below. Let me know how you liked my little star nail today with Santa's hat. Well, yeah, better to put another top coat on though. So I'm going to throw this in. I'm going to call it a day though, because we need to seal these better. So like I asked you, please leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Wish each other a Merry Christmas, because it is the Christmas holiday season. And I guess I'm going to pause, and when it comes back out of the oven, I'll be back. Alright, we are back. I was just checking some messages on my YouTube comment thingy, YouTube studio, and I was informed that Sassy's Nails is also doing the event calendar. I did not know that, so check out Sassy. She has a wide variety of nail art, and you'll love her channel. She's very enthusiastic about her nail art and loves, loves, loves to create. I guess she's doing it according to my message. She's doing it with Pumpkin's Nail Station. Like, ooh, that did not. Like a little collaboration that they're doing. I didn't know. I had no idea. I did not know. So sassy for that. I do apologize. I didn't know that you and Pumpkin were doing the event calendar together. Now I do. Whoops. So everyone head over to Pumpkin's Nail Station. She's doing it. Sassy Family is doing it. Princess Nails by Diana is doing the event calendar. Tammy's Manny's doing the event calendar. Karina's Nail Station is doing it. As you see him doing. I don't know who else. I don't know. If I find out more, I'll give them more of a shout out. But these are so pretty. You can get these from Charlie's. Use my code NailedIt10 to get 10% off your bill. And who doesn't want to save 10% off? That would be great, especially at this time of the year. So here we go with our stars and our Santa hat. Well, leave me a comment down below. We are finito for today. Put these here. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.